So we have a steamship ready for a nice travel today here at Charlie Bolly's. I'd like to thank Charlie to bring me a new one. Thank you. And we're ready to go. We need to find the stairs and get ready to one moment. Okay, I will need to go on the. Alright. Okay, what is this? What's up there? Oh no! Hey, careful! You don't ruin my steamship! Oh no! And stuff. Hey, don't break my boat! No. Oh no! Don't do that! My steamship! No! Oh no! Stop it! Please go! Don't do that! The boat! Oh no! My boat's running away! I'm sorry, the boat's Oh no! No, not again! It's sinking! Damn it, Bluebear! You must! My steamship! Brand new steamship is ruined! Oh no! It's Oh no! Oh no! Don't do it! Stop! Stop! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Stop! No! Why? Why did you do this to me, Bluebear? It's all your fault! Oh no! Why? Abandon ship! Oh no! That was close. My steamship was gone. Hey, we have a competitor. Oh, nice competitor. It's time to get more on the ship. Nice boat we got here. Brand new. Yes, indeed. And the light is brand new, boy. Okay, can we adjust? Here we go. Speed. Here we go. What's that? Keep going. We need 18 miles. We got a brand new boat. No, not again. Did we? Damage report, Charlie. Oh no. Oh no. How bad is the boat? Oh no. Bluebear, you broke my boat! Didn't mean to do that! Oh no! My boat! I'm gonna destroy my boat! Curse you! Don't break the boat! Damn you! Damn you! the boat! What are you doing down there? Oh no! He's dropping no ball! Oh no. Now again, Boobette. Stop driving my balls! Oh no, damage rock! It's wood! We're gonna drown! Like shit! No, wood! Oh. How bad is the damage? Good! Oh Lord! We're gonna drown because of you! No! Boo-Bear so far! Play me in this shit! I like this!